Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we will unboxing one kit MG Master Grade Physalis Gundam Gundam RX-78GP02A unit spacey prototype tactical mobile suit. Okay, saya ada box image dan guys here. So beside here you have front view, rear view, then cockpit hatch, beam saber, knee cover, head, backpack and binder. Next same is that got leg part, foot, hand, shield, the weapon bazooka and the backpack action. Okay, this is a very old unit, like 1998, nearly 30 years. So I already opened the pack, so we can go to the runner one by one. First we got like this is a runner I, and this is a runner H. I one, and you got two runner H for inner frame and one runner G. This runner K. This runner C, I think for bazooka. Runner D, and this runner I. The I got two. Earlier this one I for inner frame, and then we got runner this one B, got multicolor for one. Got beam saber effect part here. B got polycap, too many polycap. Usually the old unit use a polycap, the shield, the big shield here. And this is runner J, armor. And this runner F, armor for the red color. And lastly we have this runner A, the big one for the backpack and leg parts. And we got a clear part, usually for the weapon and eye. And got 3 sticker, one like this, one the scratch one, another the back is a normal one sticker. That's all for the runner. Then we go to the manual. This is the manual. The name is Physalis. Okay, got info here, but in Japanese. Got Physalis, and this one the binder open mode. Gates, the beam saber, atomic bazooka and shield. So all the runner here and all parts used, don't see any X here. So start with the head and the manipulator, I mean the finger parts, arms, left and right. Then more information, details, and continue to the leg parts. More details here for painting if you want to paint. And then these are information for the atomic bazooka, and these are marking parts here. Then information for this kit, same here, more info. Then continue the leg parts, the main body, the backpack, the waist, ni flexible thruster binder, and attach the upper part body. Continue the backpack here, the shield, and final assemble all these parts and the how to attach the bazooka and shield. And this is a sticker guide, how to put a sticker, and lastly is a image once it's complete. Okay, I think that's all for unboxing MG Physalis. So we will do speedbook and review to you later. Thank you, bye.